Suite 259 at the Imperial, New Delhi. As you can see from the screen, it's 2:23 in the morning. And it's rather funny that right over the screen in the sitting room is a print called The Tired Pig. That's exactly how I feel. It's a long day flying from London, but coming into this history-filled space is electrifying, and I can't wait actually for the morning to be able to make the most of this really lovely place. They've softened it considerably from when I was last here. I like the paperweight. Let's look for some of the luxury features. Great postcards. Pussy willow. What fun! And the drawer is open, showing where the sockets are. Going to do the bed last because it's rather a signature piece, as is the bathroom. How nice to have small toiletries. Forest Essentials, the great Indian brand that does produce really, really lovely toiletries. An amazing shower. Look at the size of it. An amazing bathtub. This is the dressing room. Goodness. Easy C safe. Plenty of space for the wheelie. Oh, they're expecting people with shoes that need polishing, so they've got shoe stuff. Brilliant. And look at the beautiful robe. That is really stylish. Plenty of drawers. This is indeed super luxury. Got to the bed yet. I'm going to finish with the crowning glory, the bed into which I shall be collapsing in a few minutes. Back home in India.